Wow, what a fantastic school. I love MMM. My name is Lawa Zaid today. My experience in MMM Guided School. First and foremost, I would like to appreciate my lecturer, my mentor, my teacher, in person of Mr. Sheyi Ogumbo for a very good, well done job he has done. Fast, you really done well. I really appreciate you. Also, I learned a lot during the school, the stress, sleepless night. In fact, it was so fantastic. I learned a lot about MMM, the ideology of MMM, how it works, the history of MMM and its evolution, history of the founder in person of Sergio Mafrodi. I really appreciate this school. It's really fantastic. Also, I learned a lot about how to work with a fan page, Facebook fan page, YouTube channels, Google Drives, Google spreadsheets. But really fantastic. I really appreciate it. And also I learned how to work with Spring Automatic. Spring Automatic software is a very good tool. I really appreciate it. I want to thank Sajima Prodi. I want to thank MMM for giving us opportunity to be part of this wonderful opportunity. God bless MMM. God bless Nigeria. God bless Sajima Prodi. I love you.